I keep filming this video over and over again, so I'm just gonna post it. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great Sunday. Sorry I don't really have much video ideas to put up, but I am starting to search for more tag videos and stuff like that. So hopefully in the future that's what I'll have up, is like tag videos. And yeah, I'm hoping to have a Bennett video up tomorrow, Bennett video on Monday. I want to assign like different days I post different videos. So like on Mondays I'll post Bennett videos, or Switch birth related videos. Tuesdays I'll post tags. Wednesdays I'll post this, something like that. But I want to decide like what day to post what, because it's kind of confusing. So I have to write it down and do that. But check out my story on Instagram that I just posted. I worked really hard on it, and I posted all 9 months of like Bay had a baby with Emmett. So I posted all 9 months, and the 9-month chapter did not go up. Like it was having so much trouble. Like I type it, retype it, type it. I typed it last night and copied it and posted it this morning. Still wouldn't type. Then I typed another version of it. Still wouldn't do it. So yeah, and then I typed about 20 minutes ago. I typed another version of it, and it posted. So I don't know what the difference was, if it was the text. But I changed the text on my iPod. So I don't know what the difference was. But it seemed like that certain like copy text wouldn't go through. So I don't know. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you guys had a great weekend or having a great Sunday. Sadie wants to say hi to you guys. So yeah, she's gonna say hi. Bye guys. Hi. Say hi, Mom. Fools. Say hi. Sadie, say hi. Hi. Sadie. Hi. She's gonna put the rope on. She's gonna put the rope. Let's put the rope.